Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Beyond Words. Today is a very special day. My amazing friend Carol is taking a day off. So today, it is just you and me. I am your study buddy. Are you a beginner? Do you feel nervous when you speak English? That is completely normal. Take a deep breath. Today, we are going slow, very slow. English is not a scary test. It is a beautiful tool to make friends and explore the world. Today, we are doing a special practice. It is called shadowing. Shadowing is simply copying my voice. It is the best way to train your mouth and your ears. Here is how our video will work today. I will show you 50 everyday phrases. First, I will say the phrase very slowly. Then I will pause and give you a moment of silence. During that pause, you must speak out loud. Do not whisper. Speak loud and proud. I speak, you listen, and then you repeat exactly what I say. After you practice your pronunciation, I will explain what the phrase means and when to use it. Are you ready to build your confidence? Let's begin. Let's start with Group 1, how we greet people and say goodbye. 1. Hello, how are you doing today? This is a very polite and classic greeting. 2. I am doing very well. Thank you for asking. This is a great, positive, and complete answer. 3. Good morning. I hope you slept well. Use this when you see someone early in the day. 4. Good afternoon. How is your day going so far? A friendly question to ask someone after 12 p.m. 5. Good evening. It is so nice to see you again. Use this when it is dark outside but you are saying hello. 6. Good night. I will see you tomorrow morning. Only use this when you are going to sleep or leaving late at night. 7. It is very nice to meet you for the first time. Say this when you are introduced to a new person. 8. I have to go now, but I will see you later. A friendly way to end a conversation with a friend. 9. Thank you for your help. Have a wonderful day. Say this when you leave a store or finish a meeting. 10. Take care of yourself and have a safe trip. Great job! Your pronunciation is already getting better. Let's move to Group 2. Politeness is very important in English. 11. Could you please pass me the glass of water? Always use please when you ask for an object. 12. Thank you so much for everything you did today. When someone does something very nice and helpful for you. 13. You are very welcome. I was happy to help. The perfect, polite answer when someone says thank you. 14. Do not worry. It is no problem at all. A more casual way to say you are welcome. 15. Excuse me, could I please get past you? When someone is blocking your way in a crowded place. 16. I am so sorry. I did not mean to do that. When you make an honest mistake or accidentally bump into someone. 17. That is completely okay. Please do not worry. This is the perfect, kind answer when someone apologizes to you. 18. Don't worry about it. Everything is perfectly fine. Another great way to say it is not a big deal. 19. Excuse me, could you help me with this problem? When you need assistance from a worker or a friend. 20. I really appreciate all the time you gave me. A beautiful way to show you are deeply grateful. You are doing fantastic. Now, group 3. What happens when you do not understand? Do not panic. Just use these phrases. 21. I am sorry, but I do not understand what you mean. Simple, clear, and honest. 22. Could you please repeat that one more time? When you want the person to say the sentence again. 23. I am still learning English. Please speak slowly. This is your magic phrase. Use it all the time. 24. Excuse me, what does this specific word mean? When you read or hear a new vocabulary word. 25. How do you spell your first and last name? When you need the exact letters to write something down. We are halfway there. 25 phrases done. Take a deep breath. If this slow practice is helping your confidence, please click the like button. It helps our channel a lot. And hit subscribe so you never miss a lesson with me and Carol. Okay, let's keep going. Your brain is working hard and you are doing great. 26. How do you say this word in English? When you point at an object and want to know its name. 27. I only speak a little bit of English right now. To let people know you are a beginner and need patience. Oh, I see now. That makes perfect sense to me. When you finally understand what the person is explaining. I am not completely sure, but I can try to guess. When you don't know the exact answer to a question. Let me think about that for a few seconds. When you need extra time to find the right English words. Awesome. Group 4 is all about survival, things you need every single day. 31. I am feeling really hungry. Let's get dinner. When it is time to eat a meal. I am very thirsty. I need a glass of water. When you need something to drink right away. Excuse me, do you know where the bathroom is? The most important question when you are traveling. Could you tell me how much this item costs? When you want to buy something in a store or market. I would like to order a large cup of coffee, please. A very natural way to order in a cafe or restaurant. Do you take credit cards or only cash here? When you need to pay and want to know your options. Excuse me, could you tell me what time it is? When you don't have a watch or a phone. I had a very long day and I am feeling tired. When you are exhausted and ready to go to sleep. I think I am lost. Can you show me the map? If you cannot find your hotel or your way around a new city. We are going to be late, so let's go right now. When you are in a hurry and need to leave immediately. You are doing incredible. We are at the final group, Group 5. These phrases are great for making new friends. It is nice to meet you. What do you do for work? A great way to ask someone about their job. I am currently a student studying at the university. How to explain that you go to school. What are your favorite hobbies to do on the weekend? Asking someone what they like to do for fun. I really enjoy watching movies in my free time. Sharing a great common hobby with a new friend. The weather is so beautiful and sunny outside today. A perfect way to start a small talk conversation with anyone. It is raining quite heavily. You should take an umbrella. Helpful advice when the weather is bad. I had a very busy and productive day at work. When you worked very hard all day and achieved a lot. What are your plans for the rest of the evening? When you are asking a friend what they will do later today. I'm just staying home and relaxing tonight. When you do not want to go out and prefer a quiet night. Thank you for a great week. Have a fantastic weekend. Say this to your friends or coworkers on Friday afternoon. Wow, look at you. You just practiced 50 full English sentences. That is a massive achievement. Remember, learning English is not a race. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to try. The shadowing technique you used today trains your muscles to speak without fear. English is your tool to open doors, meet incredible people, and see the world. Play this video as many times as you need. Put it on while you clean your house or drive your car and just keep repeating after me. I am so proud of the work you put in today. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next video.